How's it going, TLC? My name is BHEKANI Hlubi and I represent Umlazi C section. Yeah. I hold a national diploma in language practice, which is also known as linguistics, and I am currently unemployed. Which is why I'm taking part into the TLC Great Presenter competition, so as to put myself out there, man, so as to let the public know who BHEKANI Hlubi is. In my third year at varsity DUT, I was privileged enough to work with the Learning Academy Worldwide, which is based in Sweden, on a project called Ubuntu, which was escalating in Bloemfontein in a technical school called the Hudisa Technical School. What are you going to do there? We are introducing mobile learning here at Hudisa High School. Actually, we are writing a book of memories. It's a book of memories based on the late President, Mr. Nelson Mandela. And then we'll incorporate those memories with you guys, the grade 8 people. So you guys can just write whatever memories that pops into your mind about the late president. And then afterwards, we're going to be teaching you guys how to write poems, how to present poems, and also biography.
What is important about mobile phones?
Oh, this mobile learning thing that we're piloting, it enhances your writing skills, it enhances your speaking skills, and it is reliable. It enables you to connect to the internet using Wi-Fi, and then it will help you guys a lot in terms of project managing and doing your schoolwork, basically your homework and stuff.
How can we use it?
You can use it by a click of a button. And if you want to connect to the internet, you can just click a button and then you connect it to the internet. If you want to search a word, you connect to the Wi-Fi and then you go to Google and then you just write the actual word and it pops up, just like that.
Yeah, the class that you have said I must direct you to.
Oh, this class. Oh, no problem. So I think you are one of my students that I'm going to be teaching this mobile thing to.
Yeah, I'm going to take part.
No problem. And you seem like a very inspired young man, a very bright young man, if I may say. So this is us, and then I managed to stand up and kick this. Sorry for the language. Well, I managed to stand up and hold my own, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm this gentleman that you see before you.
Yeah, so
something like that. Something like
it's very nice. You start where you are born and then primary and then you come to where you are now.
Yeah.
So this is one.
You need
This is 12.
Alright. You can just lay it down there.
Last year my journey took me elsewhere, where I was teaching computer ICT concept at a place called the Indumo area near Ejozini, and this is how it went down. Check the launch. Go on.
Oh, come in and usabela ngomabaso. Ngisebenza emkhandleni waseJozini. Njengomuntu obhekelela ukuthuthukisa nokwakhiwa komnotho waseJozini. Ngizwa ngijabule kakhulu namhlanje. Kakhulukazi le program njengoba nje ngibona izothuthukisa i-youth yasemphakathini wana ka 17. Kakhulukazi ke ibanike namakhono. Amakhono ezomabhizinisi, baqala kanjani amabhizinisi, basebenza kanjani, abaneze amakhono ke okusebenzisa ikhompyutha njengoba isikhathi samanje sidinga ukuthi wonke umuntu omusha abe naso leskill ayosebenzisa empilweni yakhe nje yonke. Impilo isishintshile manje, sidinga wonke umuntu angene kwi-technology. Ngijabulisa kakhulu namhlanje umsebenzi lo suku lukhulu kakhulu kumina. Ngibona inhloso ifezekile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Right, now who made it all possible. We brought the idea to the rural area and the concept about Accenture. So this is the man I'm talking about. School. Oh yeah. So far.
Tuthuka mina oshezi usuku lihamba kahle kakhulu.
Kubela phambili bekuwena ufuna ukuvala ngawo. Kunefuna ukusho mhlawumbe.
Sijabule kakhulu, siyathokoza lesimanga ukuthi umsebenzi usuhambile wayimpumelelo wayesasasa. Sijabule xa ukwenza ukuthi abantu bakithi bazohlomula, abantu bakithi ukuba kuzophela. Sijabule lento. Sijabule kakhulu.
Right, moving on.
Do you want to say on behalf of Accenture which was left unsaid?
On behalf of Accenture, I just actually wanted to echo what my colleagues have said, to thank everyone here. First of all, to thank RDC for all of their hard work for putting this together, for the University of Notre Dame for being part of this, and most importantly, to the trainers and the staff that are here in the Josini area, in Ndumo, just for doing such an incredible job and really carrying the torch and making this project possible. It would not be possible without you.
Yeah. So, let's say for people who are into small businesses, maybe who want to better themselves somehow, what will Accenture advise them to do in terms of making them prosper?
Oh, yeah.
There's another one. This is Liz.
Oh, hello.
Lisa, hello.
That's me.
You want to say something? Real quick?
No, I'm just going to say the lights are on in the car.
Oh, the lights are on in the car.
I'll be signing out. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to vote for me on those auditions, simply because I deserve to be there. I deserve to be in that television set. I was born to do this. Ever since I could remember, I've been doing this. And because I have a vision, Hlubi Visions, we're taking over, baby. Holla. Peace. My biggest still in the game. My biggest cause I'm watching this game. All them chicks be like, Sifuni Krekos. I wanna buy that shit, I'll give you my pleasure, peace. Check my wrist, homeboy, you see my timepiece. What you see is what you get is unbelievable. Pizza at the bottom of your bitch with his tongue out. Resident Evil, Resident Evil. Many niggas be hating on that dope boy pizza. It's a simple thing, Jay, what's in here, Lisa? Wishy, washy, is it a fungus splasher? Each and every day, mom, born to wehlele zazi zonke lezi ngane ezilana funa ulala phansi kodwa imbostela boqueen bakhomba phansi hey bakhomba phansi kodwa imbostela boqueen bakhomba phansi hey izinja intwana kade sayiphatha hayibo izinja zanga khona intwana kade sayiphatha hayibo izinja yes kade sayiganga izinja zanga khona intwana kade sayiganga hayibo izinja yes kade sayiphatha izinja zanga khona intwana kade sayiganga hayibo izinja yes kade sayiphatha izinja zanga khona intwana kade sayiphatha hayibo exalmaka plan kitlabuwa uwarabe kamathatha lifasi bokolofa babebona bayabona usinayi kodwa uyazi nawe vele ukuthi ezama sisipayi hayibo sokhomba lebhasi hayibo liphethe abantwana hayibo sohamba kowani izinja zami lana ephethe intashi manje.